What is social media marketing? In a nutshell, social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Basically, you have to post a lot of content on your social profiles to gain views and engagement. Then people will start to trust you and love your brand, and eventually will start to buy your service or product. That's when you have a business and take care of that marketing effort. But what if you don't have that time or skills and turn to a specialized agency or freelancer that can build this social awareness for you? Well then, let's switch sides and see what you can do to become that social media marketing specialist, or even develop a small business out of that and provide a great service to your clients. Stay tuned, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that button. Okay, so you're about to master the social media space and sell your services. Let's see what we will cover in this video. What do you have to learn in this space of social media marketing? How to get clients. How much money you can get. So, first, let's see what skills you have to master to start your social media marketing business. Copywriting. As a social marketing specialist, you have to compose the text for the posts that you create. That's why you have to know copywriting and a little bit of marketing. We recommend 2 Skillshare classes for that, and we put their links in the description. First is a general copywriting class that covers the basics. Copywriting for beginners, how to write web copy that sells without being cheesy, an online Skillshare class by Jesse Forrest. This class is for beginners, experienced writers, and anyone who wants to learn the fundamentals of writing for the web. In this 60-minute class, delivered in 16 short video lessons, you'll learn how to write for the web and turn cold website visitors into warm leads, sales, and customers. The second one is more focused on social media. Social Media Copywriting Masterclass, Professional Tips for Profiles and Posts, an online Skillshare class by Ruth Klaus. If you want to improve your writing for social media, from profiles and bios to posts and pages, this class is for you. The copywriting skills you'll learn will make your social media marketing communications more effective, helping you reach your conversion targets and sales goals. Also, we recommend some classic books to read about copywriting. This book is a practical guide to advertising by the founder of an international advertising company, showing how to create advertising that works, how to run an agency, how to write successful copy, and what the future holds for the advertising industry. How to Write Seductive Web Copy takes the stress out of your copywriting. This practical book takes you through a step-by-step process to write your own website texts. You can use this guide to write copy for your new website or to update existing web copy. This book doesn't just tell you how to write, it also helps you decide what to write. It has been described as probably the most practical guide you can find about writing web copy. We have a whole list of the best copywriting books in the description. Go check it out. Graphic design. A few design basics first. Graphic design basics, core principles for visual design. The lessons include both examples and demonstrations, giving you a foundation to create inspired, functional design. You'll learn to identify and define 5 basic design principles and apply each core concept in future projects. Also, take a look at this book on advertising. It's really good. This comprehensive overview of advertising design strategies helps students and professionals understand how to create ads that cut through the clutter. Design principles such as unity, contrast, hierarchy, dominance, scale, abstraction, and typed image relationships are thoroughly discussed. Chapters also cover researching your client and your audience. What makes an ad successful? Getting the audience's attention in a crowded marketplace. The importance of consistent branding and identity. The difference between print advertising, billboards, the web, television, and radio. Advertising design versus editorial design. Now, how you can get the first and then repetitive clients. Fiverr is a great way to start. It is an online platform that allows buyers and sellers to connect so they can buy and sell digital services. It gets its name from the starting price of services, which is $5. Although all services were priced at $5 when the site initially launched, Freelancers can now set their price to whatever they choose and can offer package deals or gig packages. You need to set up your profile and create custom gigs to sell on the site. As a seller, you set your price and can choose to offer add-ons to your gigs to bump up the cost. Once a buyer decides to buy your order, their money is taken from their account and put on hold for you until you complete the order. Sellers keep 80% of what they earn on each gig they successfully sell and deliver. The more gigs you sell, the easier it will be to build your seller rating on the site. This means you will potentially be able to charge more for the services you offer. Also, there is Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform, one of the biggest around. Freelancers, like you, sign up and create a profile that highlights the skills you have to offer. Clients like business owners, startup people, entrepreneurs, post jobs on Upwork when they need help getting a job done. Getting a hang of how the site works can be a bit fuzzy at the beginning, but it gets easier as you keep using it. As with most freelancing sites, the work of finding yourself some clients is all on you. Clients will normally post jobs that they want to be done. You then bid on the jobs you want to work on by sending a proposal to the client. So, you can start with Fiverr and Upwork to get your first clients. Then, some of them will stick to you and ask directly for permanent work without Fiverr or Upwork as intermediaries. And this is how your business will start to take off. How much money can you get from social media marketing? Well, it all depends on two things: the time you are willing to put into this business and the services you provide. Many newbie social media managers charge approximately $25 to $35 an hour to start, typically between 10 or 20 hours per month per client. This means that each client is worth $250 to $700 per month. If you put in 8 hours a day of work for up to 16 clients a month, it will be more or less $5,000 a month. Of course, with that strategy, coupled with a great portfolio and with some success stories, you can charge up to double the beginner hourly rate. Or maybe, at one point, you can have collaborators and you can scale up your business. So, yeah, a social media marketing business can get you $10,000 a month and even more. You just have to invest time and effort into your skills, then have patience and develop your portfolio. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel to see some other ways to reach your goal of $10,000 a month.